stuff with Exeter there, and you know, I wanted to be close to home, and you know, Japan was where I set up shop for 4 seasons.
Boys in the place to be. He said we got a VIP.
Many diamonds dangling. Bag full of money we strangling. Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me. All the above cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem.
Like we're going down an escalator and whoever was standing next to him literally like touch his arm or put their foot next to his and make those certain noises and be enormous. So it was quite funny. In the crowds, I would never lose him because he was the tallest guy in the crowd.
The burning desire was still there to play Super Rugby.
And he's confident they are fit and focused for the task ahead.
We focus on the guys that we do have, so we spend a lot of time putting getting the team to play the Highlanders and rebuilding the engine of the guys, getting them nice and fit and strong.
Two tries for Johnny McNichol last week. Jack, the most experienced outside back, and the first start for massive Nadolo on the right wing.
The kick was pinpoint perfect.
Struggled to make their tackle stick and was punished to start once again by the big Nadolo.
Crusaders let Nadolo gets past one, gets past another, grumbles for himself. Don't tell me.
I have to mention one individual. I mean, your pack was great, but Nadolo out there in the back line, I'm sure you've tackled him in practice. What's the secret to taking him down?
Oh, I'm not going to give that up.
The Crusaders hammered the Highlanders 34-8 to clinch second place and a spot into the February semi-finals in 2 weeks.